I have already received the Xiaomi 15 Wangchuang in advance. To me it's more like a camera than a phone. Coincidentally, I'm going to Datong today. Let's treat Mingjing and Diandian segments as one by liking, subscribing, sharing, and
I have now arrived at the door of Huayanse. Let me briefly introduce. Today's filming equipment is primarily focused on being lightweight. First of all, this is a Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Then, I specially brought this camera handle, and I also brought some filters that might be used today, including Heiru. Finally, the most important is the lens cleaning cloth I use is... First, this is Shanjia's nanocloth type. When you enter the door, the first thing you see is the Pu Guangming Temple. How to photograph Pu Guangming? I recommend everyone go directly to the mountain gate opposite it. You can use this door frame as a foreground wall panel, leaving a bit of space. Mingpao, Canada, Mingpao, Toronto. Then you can use the main camera to shoot a symmetrical composition. Many of you don't use ultra-wide much, but ultra-wide is actually very useful. For example, when at doorway, directly switch to ultra-wide. But like Shuoping's, I still turn on the triple data. Telephoto provides benefits. We can freely do some extreme height shots inside. We can also use the door as the foreground and the mural behind us because it has good bokeh.
bye.
Looking from Pugongming, you can actually see the distance. The farthest is that Daxiong Baobian, which is a colossal structure from the Liao dynasty, a very magnificent ancient building. We haven't gone over yet, but we can take a shot of its Chiwan from afar. Because its Chiwan is very famous, probably the largest Chiwan among existing ancient inscriptions in China. Before going to Daxiangbao Temple, we must come to Shanghuayan Temple to take a look, because there are two clay sculptures at this entrance that we previously shot by Qin Hua, teacher Qin. He made a book called Henga Two Generals.
Let's go!
Seeing an interesting scene, in the distance of this Daxiangbao Temple, there is a Christian church. This Daxiangbao sword is really magnificent. I plan to try using the Xiaomi 15 Ultra's video to show the Daxiangbao kids a video. Then, apply the Heiru filter to instantly give it this rustic feel.
You must have all heard about... Someone said he helped Tang Sanzang obtain the sacred scriptures. He was appointed Great Fighting Victory Buddha. Since then, he stayed at Lingshan. Some also say the real him.
Just came out of Huai Temple and now I've come to Shanhuai Temple. Don't look at the photos I just took at Huai Temple. They may seem ordinary, but the photos I take are the most informative. At least more so than those professionals with models and lighting. And those photographers who retouch many photos in post-production. More informative. Upon entering, the sofa color will definitely come over. Shooting the big online celebrity's studio. The shadow of the tree cast on this wall looks like a painting. I think we can take a shot. Still like this, let's squat down. Just happened to be exposed to Jinyu's poop. Lower the exposure, pulling out the layers of light and shadow. Then we arrived at Shanhuai Temple's Daxiangbao Hall. We first photographed the Grand Duke's Celestial Maiden. Found a good angle where we can capture both the doghouse's eaves and Old Bosque Kwan. We captured some able-bodied people.